Hey everybody, so I got a quick movie haul to do, electronics and a single tool, Best Buy and Autozone. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so the movies I picked up from Best Buy is because Walmart, Target, nobody had Hobbs and Shaw. Best Buy is the only one that had Hobbs and Shaw available in 4K for me to pick up. I picked up the new Hellboy movie. I was told that it was pretty good in 4K. And I picked up Hellboy 2, The Golden Army in 4K, as well as the original Hellboy in 4K, and the original is actually a steelbook. And then I picked up Terminator 2, because I don't have 1, 2, or 3. Now I have 2, so I just gotta look for 1 and 3, and then only other one I don't have is 4. But and then for AutoZone, I just picked up this 10mm by 12mm flex Flair nut wrench. I have a 10 and 12, but it's not a flex head. So I picked this guy up. Come in handy next time. I'm looking to buy the Flair nut flex head wrenches like this, but they have the ratcheting jaws. I'll eventually pick those up. This was like 14 bucks at AutoZone, $15 I think, something like that after tax. Hellboy 2 and Hellboy the original, I got like $5 off. I think it was Hellboy, and I got $4 off Hellboy 2. And then Terminator, I got like $6 or $7 off, something like that. They were all on sale. So the original was, this came out to $17. So Hellboy 2 came out to, I think it was like $14. Terminator came out to like $8, something like that, for the 4K edition. So $8 for a 4K movie, that's pretty good. The new Hellboy was $31 plus whatever tax, where Walmart was selling it for $29. But I liked the cover on this one. The one that Walmart sells, he has no horns, it's just the stumps on his head. He's not holding a sword or anything, he's just really close up. His head takes up the whole cover. And then Hobbs and Shaw, I picked up. I already opened all of these because I went and got my digital copies. I'm talking to Universal Studios right now about the fact that I used the digital copy on Hobbs and Shaw, but I never got it on my Voodoo account. So they wanted just proof of information that the code failed to work. So that's not a big deal. But this will come in handy on the 4Runner in the future. And a couple other vehicles that I work on. So just a quick little movie haul and a single tool. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.